What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and today we're taking a closer look at a piece that truly exemplifies the spirit of field watches. It's time to get hands-on with the Hamilton Khaki Field reference H70535061. It is 4:09 p.m. Let's get down to business. So first impressions here, the watch boasts a robust 42mm stainless steel case with an 11.6mm thickness. It's not too bulky, striking a perfect balance between ruggedness and elegance. The green dial instantly captures the attention, exuding a military-inspired vibe that's true to its field namesake. Speaking of the dial, the layout is clean and functional. Large, luminous numerals surround the outer edge, making it incredibly easy to read, even in low-light conditions. A 24-hour format sits inside the primary hour markers, a nod to its military roots. And the day date function at its 3 o'clock is a convenient addition for those who need a quick reference. Underneath that stunning dial lies the automatic H30 movement. This caliber offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, meaning you can set it down on Friday evening and pick it up on Monday morning without missing a beat. Now let's discuss the band. The woven camo strap complements the dial beautifully with its 20mm lug width, so even if you don't like this one from the factory, you can find some other ones very easily. Protection comes from the sapphire crystal, which ensures your watch remains scratch-free, while the 10-bar or 100-meter water resistance rating ensures it can handle splashes, rain, and even some occasional swimming, though I'd advise against it because it doesn't have a threaded crown. We're going to talk about that more when we jump into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, it's got stylish design. I mean, this really is the quintessential field watch, although it's a little bit modernized. It's a little bit larger with a day date complication, so it's kind of like the perfect mix between classic and modern. It's got an impressive power reserve. That 80-hour movement really makes it so it's convenient, right? It's functional. It's got some great durability. The sapphire crystal and 100-meter water resistance rating is nice to have. And I personally really do like the factory strap on this watch. Moving into the cons, at 42mm, it might be a bit large for those with slender wrists, and maybe, those who want a more classic, smaller field watch. The water resistance is good for everyday activities, but without a threaded crown, it's not really suitable for swimming, in my opinion, especially when we look at Hamilton's track record of having foggy watch cases. And then finally, it does need some drilled lugs. But in summary, the Hamilton Khaki Field H70535061 truly embodies what a field watch should be. It's rugged, functional, and stylish, with a heart that's as reliable as they come. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a military aficionado, or just someone who appreciates a solid timepiece, this Hamilton is worth a spot in your collection because, as I've always said, every watch collector needs a hammy. Guys, let me know what you think about this watch. If you own one, let me know in the comment section. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you wish it had something that it doesn't? Let me know. I learned from you just as much as you learned from me, and I will catch you on the next episode. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.